The world is full of breathtaking natural phenomena that often leave us in awe and wonder, and some of them are still a mystery to scientists. Some examples of unexplained natural phenomena include ball lightning, volcanic lightning, and the Taos hum. Other examples of natural phenomena that are difficult to explain include the frozen bubbles that can be seen in winters at Abraham Lake in Alberta, Canada, which occur when methane gas gets trapped underwater and freeze. Light pillars are another example of a natural phenomenon that looks otherworldly, like beams of light coming from an extraterrestrial spacecraft, and are visible extending from the sky usually in the Arctic, and also some places in the US and Canada where it's extremely cold. So in this video, we are going to look at the 10 natural phenomena that defy explanation. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Fairy circles. Fairy circles are naturally occurring circular patches of land barren of plants, varying between 2 and 12 meters in diameter, often encircled by a ring of stimulated growth of grass. They occur in the arid grasslands of the Namib Desert in western parts of southern Africa and in a part of the Pilbara in Western Australia. The mechanisms explaining their origin, shape, persistence, and regularity remain controversial. One hypothesis for the formation of vegetation rings is based on the centrifugal expansion of a single individual grass plant via clonal growth and dieback in the center. Clonality could explain fairy circle origin, shape, and long-term persistence, as well as their regularity, if one clone competes with adjacent clones. Number 9. Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon is a slot canyon located on Navajo land east of Litchi, Arizona. It includes 6 separate scenic slot canyon sections on the Navajo Reservation, referred to as Upper Antelope Canyon, or the Crack, Rattlesnake Canyon, Owl Canyon, Mountain Sheep Canyon, Canyon X, and Lower Antelope Canyon, or the Corkscrew. It is the primary attraction of Lake Powell Navajo Tribal Park, along with a hiking trail to Rainbow Bridge National Monument. Antelope Canyon is a popular location for sightseers and a source of tourism business for the Navajo Nation. Guided tours are required to visit the Upper Antelope Canyon, and there are several tour operators available. Number 8. Great Blue Hole. The Great Blue Hole is a giant marine sinkhole off the coast of Belize that lies near the center of Lighthouse Reef, a small atoll 70 kilometers from the mainland and Belize City. The hole is circular in shape, 318 meters across and 124 meters deep. It is a popular spot among recreational scuba divers who are lured by the opportunity to dive in sometimes crystal clear water and meet several species of fish, including midnight parrotfish, Caribbean reef shark, and other juvenile fish species. Other species of shark, such as the bull shark and hammerheads, have been reported there but are not regularly sighted. Diving the Blue Hole is for seasoned divers who wish to experience a completely unique bucket list dive. The depth of the site requires good control over one's buoyancy and a calmness when faced with little light at depth and a feeling of sensory deprivation due to very little change in water temperature or movement. Number 7. Fly Geyser. Fly Geyser is a small geothermal geyser located on private land in Washoe County, Nevada, about 20 miles north of Gerlach. It is also known as Fly Ranch Geyser. The geyser was created by accident in 1964 when a well was drilled seeking geothermal energy. The well was not capped properly, and hot water found a way up and out, creating the geyser. Fly Geyser is approximately 5 feet high by 12 feet wide, counting the mound on which it sits. Number 6. Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima, situated at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, is a flat-topped mountain with sheer cliffs on all sides. Believed to have inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World, the unique landscape and mist-shrouded peaks make it a sight to behold. Number 5. Moraki Boulders. Found on Cocoa Beach in New Zealand, the Moraki boulders are gigantic spherical stones scattered along the shoreline. These naturally formed geological marvels have captured the imagination of many despite the exact mechanism behind their formation still being debated. Number 4. Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, located in the Daniel Campos province in Potosi, in southwest Bolivia, near the crest of the Andes at an elevation of 3,656 meters above sea level. It covers an area of over 10,000 square kilometers and is part of the Altiplano of Bolivia in South America. The plateau includes fresh and saltwater lakes as well as salt flats and is surrounded by mountains with no drainage outlets. The Salar is a major car transport route across the Bolivian Altiplano, except when seasonally covered with water. Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni is considered one of the most extreme and remarkable vistas in all of South America, if not Earth. Number 3. Giant's Causeway. The Giant's Causeway is a natural wonder located in County Antrim, on the north coast of Northern Ireland. It is made up of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the result of an ancient volcanic fissure eruption. The site was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986 and a National Nature Reserve by the Department of the Environment for Northern Ireland in 1987. The Giant's Causeway and Visitor Center is located on the B147 Causeway Road, 2 miles from Bushmills Village, 11 miles from Coleraine, and 13 miles from. The Giant's Causeway is a popular tourist destination on the Causeway Coastal Route, a scenic drive that showcases the stunning natural beauty. Number 2. Sailing Stones. Sailing stones, also known as sliding rocks, walking rocks, rolling stones, and moving rocks, are rocks that move and inscribe long tracks along a smooth valley floor without animal intervention. The rocks vary in size from a few ounces to hundreds of pounds and are found predominantly in the southern portion of the racetrack playa in Death Valley National Park. The movement of the rocks occurs when large, thin sheets of ice floating on an ephemeral winter pond break up in the sun. The rocks move across the playa floor, leaving behind tracks that can be straight or wandering, depending on the smoothness of the rock's bottom surface. The rocks sometimes turn over, exposing another surface and leaving a new track. Number 1. Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a natural phenomenon that occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's upper atmosphere, creating a beautiful display of light. The best places to view the Northern Lights are high northern latitudes during the winter in Alaska, Canada, and Scandinavia. The statistical likelihood of seeing the Northern Lights over interior Alaska is roughly twice as high at equinox than it is at solstice due to the Russell-McLaren effect. The aurora is an indicator of the current geomagnetic storm conditions and provides situational awareness for a number of technologies. The aurora directly impacts HF radio communication and GPS and GNSS satellite navigation. The Northern Lights are potentially visible under dark skies from late August to mid-April, preferably under a clear, cloudless sky. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.